On number 7, Airbus A350-900. The A350-900 was unveiled on 15 January 2015 by its flight provider Qatar Airways. The Airbus A350-900 is a 325-seater wide-body passenger aircraft which is part of the new generation Airbus models. The A350-900 is one of its different configurations, providing up to 19-hour long distance routes and is set to fly further than any other commercially known airplane. The maximum seating capacity for 440 passengers and a wingspan of 212.43 feet is available. Qatar Airways, Cathay Pacific, Singapore Airlines and Philippine Airlines mainly use this aircraft. It has 7